How's it going? This is Crown King. Another day with Federal Forex Profit Group. We're going to start today off with just continuing the outlook from the previous video, into which I ran through some of the trades that we are going to watch through this week, the week of 4/21/2020 or 4/20, which was Monday. So the week of 4/20/2020. Before we get started, I want to remind you all, my friends and family, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens, if you like money, if you like saving money, flipping money, earning money, remember to try the 3 to 5 year service. It's free to join. You don't have to learn how to trade. They trade the market for you. You know, how good is that? It's legit. It's 100% free, no subscriptions. Just when you get started, go through everything as they will tell you in the videos. Once you get everything set up, fund your broker account, they start trading it for you. And you can also earn money by sharing this same free portal with others. And when those other people join the service and begin getting their account traded, you earn money as well from commissions on that account. But even if you don't do that, they'll still trade your account and you will earn money and be financially free within 3 to 5 years. So me myself, I'm trying this service and I will be making updates on this in the near future, good Lord willing. So let's keep it pushing to these charts real quick. Don't want to make this a long video. So according to the strategy, I placed some sell stops and buy stops on a few pairs. Well, actually 2 of the pairs that got triggered, they weren't according to strategy, and they got stopped out. I'm gonna show that. I'm gonna show those trades in a hot second. This one right here was according to strategy. I think my mistake was I got in a trade on Sunday, so it was kind of a test thing, but you still shouldn't trade on Sunday. I don't. Every time I trade on Sunday, I lose, even when I'm testing. So that's just a message to all, even to myself. But still, this one isn't ready yet, according to everything that I look for. So that got stopped out. I mean, I lost some money. I only got $500 in this demo account. So see this cat. $8.88. The other one, lost 50. Euro USD lost 56. Let's look at those real quick. And Euro USD, where is it? You see, I placed a buy stop. But it hit it, I think, somewhere around here, and then, you know, it went back and hit my stop loss. And then my lot size was kind of high as well, so That's another message. Same with this other pair. What was that? Okay. It's not according to the strategy that I use, that I'm working with this Forex Map System, into which I look for reversals around a 618. What I did here was placed a sell stop. Again, this was a Sunday trade, so I shouldn't have done that as well. On top of my lot size being high, I'm just being real, because all that can be seen over here. Remember, I am keeping track of this account, this demo account. Y'all see this demo? Trader's Way. Started with $500. I'm in the red. Oh. Open trades. This hasn't updated yet because these are closed. I notated this. You can come here and get a screenshot of it. Quick little information about the trades. Okay, open trades. This one is still open. Still open. Still open. This is closed, as you can see. Okay. According to the strategy, looking for trades around the 618 level. This one reversed just below it, so I placed a sell stop. The sell stop was hit. I came back, placed a stop loss. It's kind of risky placing stop losses as well, because these brokers, man, I really do believe they have stop loss hunters. So and this is pretty much going to be around the clock from here on out. 618 level, placed a sell stop, it triggered it, came back, placed a stop loss. Reversing at the 618 level. Sell stop hit, stop loss placed. What am I risking on this one? 43 bucks. That was a lot for this account. $58. Need to drop my lot sizes. 27, that's still high. Again, this is not a trade signal, trade alert. You know. Here's one We're in the money. This one was triggered yesterday. It was a Sunday trade. Trade went into the money so far. Risking 63. Lot size is high. I don't recommend doing this. On a live account, I wouldn't do this. I wouldn't trade like this with $500 in my account. Lot sizes would be like 0.01. But since I want to see how fast I can grow this demo account, placing lot size is kind of high. But with that, I could also blow it real quick. GBP USD. Reversing at the 618. I placed a sell stop around 1.24017. Sell stop has been hit. Order is open. I came back, placed a stop loss into which I'm risking 13 bucks, even on the smallest lot size. So it's real in the field. It's real in the field. You can go broke in Forex. So for anyone who doesn't want to learn Forex, you just want somebody to trade for you, again, try the 3 to 5 years trading service. Okay, here's a setup that hasn't triggered yet. Got the sell stop at 1.20246. If it hits it, I'll come back and place a stop loss right there around 1.21242. US Norwegian krone reversing at the 618 for a possible up move. Into which I placed a buy stop at around on the Fibonacci at the 50% level. Price wise, around 10.4806. So it was triggered. Came back and placed a stop loss, risking $17. From this point, we'll see what the markets tell us. Good Lord willing, I can grow this account and we can keep it moving. Take it easy. Have a good day. God bless you all. Peace, peace, peace.